Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain MORNINGSTAR Investor App to receive without using. So to get started, a quick in-depth review about MORNINGSTAR Investor Premium app. So to get started, Morning Investor is a premium app for a serious investor who want deep insight into stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. It offers expert analysis, star rating, portfolio tools, and research to help you make smarter investment decisions. With features like portfolio X-ray and a custom screener, it's built to guide our long-term strategies through a trusted data and a professional grade tools. But it's not perfect. Some users find the app slow, buggy, or hard to use on mobile, especially when compared to full desktop version. They are also complained about high subscription cost and limited customer support. So while Morningstar Investor deliver a strong research and tools, it may feel overpriced or clunky for casual investors who just want something simple and something fast. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.